The monsoon session of the parliament kicked off with intense uproar and adjournments as opposition parties stormed both houses today demanding immediate discussions on Operation Sindoor. And also they wanted a discussion on Pahalgam terror attack. They also raised the Air India crash. Now the day was dominated by tabling of the income tax bill 2025. The government also showcased other bills, but then there was a lot of chaos and clutter. So the day was completely marked by adjournments, and we are hoping to have a constructive session in the coming days.
Well, it's a hope for the moment. The Lok Sabha saw repeated adjournments. As Vasudha mentioned, India Bloc MPs raised slogans demanding accountability over the Kashmir encounter and recent governance failures, while Speaker Om Birla urged calm and promised time-bound discussion. The government focused on legislative business, introducing major bills and unveiling a tech-enabled digital attendance system for MPs. Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a high-level strategy meeting inside Parliament House along with key ministers. Home Minister Amit Shah, JP Nadda, Rajnath Singh, Nirmala Sitharaman as well, to coordinate the government's legislative push and counter opposition attacks during the monsoon session.
That's right, Veera. To balance governance with accountability, the government has reportedly proposed time-bound debates on sensitive national issues in the midst of a packed legislative agenda. This also comes after the opposition put a lot of pressure seeking answers. Now, hours allocated to the Indian Post Bill is about 3 hours, income tax about 12 hours, National Sports Bill, which is going to be the highlight of the session, 8 hours, Manipur budget will be given about 2 hours, but 16 hours discussion on Operation Sindoor. TDP has demanded a discussion on the 50 years of emergency as well, and there are also some MPs like Anurag Thakur who said that it's very important to have a discussion on the flood situation in Himachal Pradesh. But 16 hours of Operation Sindoor debate, that is going to be a major highlight. What happens next? Can we expect a session with a constructive dialogue? Remains a key question. J.B. Mathur of the Congress Party MP joins us, also Charu Pragya of the BJP. Thank you both of you for joining me today, ladies. J.B. Mathur, today, all of you I heard had to come through different doors. So clearly there's tech in the new parliament, and also the government agreeing on a lot of your demands, saying that there is room for every discussion that you ask for. Are you finally happy with that?
First of all, the opposition, the Congress Party, the India Bloc had given unconditional support to this government because we wanted the morale of the army in the defense to be totally a big boost for them. And it was not the case that we took up any of the issues. We gave unconditional support, but we had demanded for the special session. And now it is only because the opposition gave this kind of pressure, the government has allotted 16 hours for Operation Sindoor. The questions remains unanswered. All the 3 months have passed. Already there's a lot of delay. The nation doesn't know, the people doesn't know, the MPs and the parliament is still in the dark on what happened to the terrorists, whether they are arrested, whether they are killed, what happened, nobody knows. And even the Prime Minister is silent about that, and so it is very important that we discuss this matter, and the government should be willing to discuss and debate and give the details. It should not be like an eyewash. Again, like how Prime Minister speaks or how the Defence Minister speaks. See, the real crucial questions should be answered. The Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, they have said that there's been an intelligence and security failure. What is that? What is the situation? So even those connected with the defense forces have mentioned such things. So it should not be an eyewash discussion or debate. The government should come out clean and come out with details on what exactly happens, especially on Donald Trump.
Don't want a debate for optics, says the opposition. Wants a debate in spirit with substantial answers.
President of United States that who went, who did the mediation, and it is upon his request.
Very good evening to you. May I speak now? Thank you very much. Good evening to everyone. It's very unfortunate that we've set a pattern of making the first day of every parliament session a day of ruckus, of disruption. It's so unfortunate. And as our speaker said, everyone is watching. It's shameful that members of parliament, honorable members of parliament, cannot maintain decorum even on the first day. In 20 minutes, of the House coming into order. It was adjourned twice. That is how shameful the behavior of the opposition MPs is becoming. Yes, the government has already agreed to discuss Operation Sindoor. You demanded it, Jebby. The government has agreed. Why the ruckus then? You were given 16 hours. Let the 16 hours come. You should have at least allowed the parliament to function for 16 hours before storming into the well. And this is what is unfortunate. And this is a pattern that I would like to bring to everybody's attention. Every single session of parliament, the opposition comes armed with placards. Not discussions on policy. They come armed with slogans. They are not concerned about...
Yeah, Charu, one more question to you. I was in the parliament today, and I do believe that today all that the opposition was asking was a debate on Operation Sindoor, which I believe is very good for the BJP because you also have been talking about it.
We've already said that.
But why
we
couldn't
said
you
it
have...
will happen.
No, but why couldn't you have started the debate? You know, question hour could have been... Was question hour so important that you didn't want to let that go?
No. So, Vasudha, look at this at this entire situation from a reasonable point of view. Here's the reasonable point of view. We want to discuss Operation Sindoor. Government says yes. Then, oh my God, our issue has been hijacked. Now, what do we say? We want to discuss Operation Sindoor, but now. This is the way they function, shifting the goalpost. See, it shouldn't matter to you, the order of the discussion, because I believe every single issue raised in Parliament is of utmost national importance, isn't it? Every single bill which is being tabled is of utmost national importance. Yes. Every issue the opposition wants to discuss, yes, is also important and we are willing to do it. And I fail to understand why would you create a ruckus before these so-called 16 hours were over. Okay. If you didn't get your say in those 16 hours, by all means,
respond to that. The government had already said yes. In fact, Kiran Rijiju, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister, stood up and promised you multiple times that discussions will take place on any topic under the sun. Why didn't the opposition cede that kind of space?
3 months have passed, still the nation is in the darkness, and so we had to, see, the role of opposition is we had to demand and we demanded. And talking about ruckus, I want to bring here, today the BJP national president, the leader of the house, honorable leader of the house, JP Nadda ji, what did he say in the house? He said, only what I say will go on record. Only nothing else will go on record. Is that for the leader of the house to say? It is like demoralizing the chair itself. But if it would have come from opposition, it would have been different. So talking about ruckus today, BJP national president law school is what we want to say. See, it is our duty to ensure that this discussion happens and we had to demand it. This government's progress card all these years has been, we have to repeatedly ask, and taking Manipur example, months and months.
Quickly respond to that, Charu Pragya. What can we expect in the next 31 days? 31 days, this is a long session. So clearly...
in the morning of Manipur.
Yes. Okay, Charu Pragya, please.
Because they don't want the nation to know.
Yeah,
they don't want the nation to hear.
Completely running out of
Charu,
time here.
Quickly respond to that,
So I think that's the agenda the opposition wants to set, right? Paparazzi over policy discussions. Every single time you come armed to disrupt. And I keep repeating that because it's of utmost importance. You want to talk about Manipur, fair enough. But what did happen when our Prime Minister actually stood up to talk about Manipur? You staged a walkout. Again, a synchronized walkout. Does that show your seriousness for any discussion on any topic? It doesn't. It doesn't.
Okay.
And we cannot become a parliament which the whole country is observing with distaste, because that is what it has come
completely
down
out of time. Thank you both of you for joining us on this broadcast. The next few days
But there's a lot of time left in Parliament this session, Vasudha.
Yes, the next few days, Veera, will decide whether this session becomes a forum for real debate or just another battlefield for slogans and silences.